Freddie McGregor's tearful appearance and Marianne Hall's much anticipated performance. Plus more highlights now from the 30th staging of Reggae Sumfest.
Just good vibes again. What a G.
TVJ of the artist song right now. And Massacre, very, very good artist.
You think these younger batch of DJs can perform on stage?
I think they have the song, but in relation to working the stage, not sure.
DJ, listen, have you seen what's been happening? Like his live performances are just off the chain.
I just any weed, why? Buy anything we need, why?
Valiant, because Valiant is an artist. Tommy Lee mostly though, yeah.
Reggae Sumfest needs more international artists on the lineup?
I think it's kind of played out in a sense that I be paying just to see the same artists each year over and over again. So we need something to look forward to, we need something to pull the people out.
No, our artist is just as good, can do the work same way. You know, see the crowd.
My favorite artist is Tommy Lee, and I came for him especially, but to me was Valiant.
Far me I come from, Sumfest is a milestone in dancehall for every artist. So this is a milestone and I congratulate myself for even reach this far. A year now to stay focused. Focus no means I just try to stay in the hype, but to build a foundation in a dancehall and be an example as well. So you know it's style. Don't sound ugly.
Listen, anything you can learn, time for teach, so enough good and I still.
We've been waiting all our lives to see Tommy
She broke her phone case because she was so excited.
I was too excited. He was lit. Everybody was lit. The performers were
Yeah.
amazing.
10 out of 10. Get my money's worth.
Them never overdo it or anything, it is just alright on a time limit.
Wish Baker could have performed a little bit longer, but he broke the rules.
I think censorship is foolishness. You know what? If they have a standard for their performance and what they're being held to, I think that you should abide by it. So I feel like it's just.
As you can hear, my voice is hoarse. It was a really fun event, and I think everyone actually came out and did their best.
I sell one whole heap of jerk chicken, I make a one bag of money. I'm busy, can't contain my send for the Brinks truck.
Tomorrow, the Big Ship family, honestly. And Lady Saw, if you cannot get the audience to the church, it is good to take the church to the audience.
Feel good, feel good.
Adelaide, South Australia.
When I tell you it's like the time is getting critical. Where does the science work?
Roman Virgo. I'm actually from Texas.
I want to see Roman Virgo.
I love the flavor, I love their energy, I love the vibe. Jamaica feels like home.
First, Kabaka Pyramid. The album was excellent. You can add the international artists just to add some flavor to it because a lot of times we have the existing artists coming on year after year.
You know, big up to Reggae Sumfest, celebrating 30 years of doing this beautiful, beautiful show. Whether or not we have a song that is hot or, you know, it's just like there's a love that Jamaica showed me that I can't explain, but I'm just grateful for it.
Give me one word to describe fatherhood for you.
Beautiful, but stressful. 2 girls same age and them just want they everywhere, all over the house, and it's a whole lot. Kudos to every parent out there, whether father, mother, especially single parent, whether you're mother or father. You are trust me, you're not great. Especially mothers, you're not, Debbie, you're great.
Heartfelt, felt good to me. I'm really thankful because now I know the kind of love that not just Jamaican people, but people in general have for Freddie McGregor, but especially my Jamaican people, because I've gotten so much love from people who phone, email, WhatsApp, everything to wish me well, and I'm thinking, boy, people really love me. But to see them come out tonight and party the way they did, I feel good.
I'm longing to see you. I wanna know.
So you're here going through this process. What does your day-to-day look like?
Therapy from Monday to Friday. Monday, Wednesday and Fridays, I do PT, physical therapy. And on Tuesday and Thursdays, I do occupational therapy. And that's what has helped me to be able to do Sumfest tonight. And I can tell my Jamaican brothers especially that don't be afraid to go to the doctor. Don't be afraid to check on yourself. We have a saying that prevention is better than cure. And it's always best to know before we can control it. And I've experienced it, so I can say it myself. You know? We should try to be in the know. Don't be afraid to check and make sure you're good. Don't wait until it knocks you down. Every brother over 40 years old should try to do a colonoscopy because it's important. Do your prostate check and just do your blood work and just do your checks in general. I mean, I've learned the importance of these things and I'm not taking any chances. I'm doing what I have to do for me, to save me.
Careful of who you talk to.
What is coming to your mind when you think about the future of this legacy that you've created?
I see a great future. Chino has matured so much, and Steve was always a shy kid, but it just broke him out, and you could see the maturity in him. When I looked left and right tonight, and I looked around and I saw them and Shima. Shima is the mother of Big Ship. She makes sure everything in the background is fine. Chino step up real time for me, and I wish him all the best. I see a great future for the Big Ship family down the road.
Ladies, from one day never complain, say they want to serve.
We know how much it meant to my father, you know what I mean? He wanted to get back on the stage. If you know him well, you know he's a natural warrior and him not accept defeat. So he wanted this. We've been preparing and, you know what I mean, going through the motions with him leading up to this moment, and here we are, and it was well received, so we give thanks.
We're blessed to have a legend for our father, and you know, Gina said it before, most people don't get celebrated at that level until after the fact. So the fact that we can be with him on stage, still with us, still getting his flowers right now, amazing.
It's the first time we're performing in Jamaica since losing our father, so it means a lot to be here. You know, the new album, The Homeland, is out, and the homecoming was very, very heartwarming. Thank you very much.
No matter where you come from.
want to inspire husbands, you know, to go home and take care of them family and take care of their wives, enjoy their children, be good dads. That's the power of music. That's how we use music, you know. And you know, you make songs for love songs and people for party and gyrate and enjoy themselves. And I think that's what one of the things I love about dancehall. That's what I love about Ding Dong and Elephant Man. Them keep it jiggy and fun. I think once we get away from the violence and the insults, I think nothing's gonna be able to stop Jamaican music.
She still love me.
Nothing wrong with where the next generation is taking the music, but the way the music was created and preserved over the years, a lot of people in other places in the world, that's what they want. That they want that thing to make them feel like, to give them an authentic stamp of approval from Jamaica. So we Jamaicans, we must understand what we've created and how much the world loves it, and we need to re-embrace it and let the world know we made this.
Everybody perform good. I'm left from New York and I just come for the show. I enjoy it, work, plane ticket, everything, 100.
Marion Hall, I think the crossover into Christianity and dancehall is just everything for me, and everything she spoke about is so real for me. I love her.
She still got it.
Arami and Virgo, very nice.
Performance is important, and that's why I enjoyed Valiant for night one, and this morning for Kabaka Pyramid was really good.
For me, night one, 10 out of 10. Night two, which is today, I'm gonna get like an 8.
We love reggae, we love Sumfest, we love it.
For night one, I was like a bit, but night two, definitely.
It was like, I'm not gonna miss it again.